Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a beauty unboxing. I have a bunch of packages that I got in the mail and I haven't filmed one of these videos in a really long time, so I decided to do one and I'm really excited because I feel like I don't talk about beauty products that much on my channel anymore, but I'm obsessed with makeup still. I don't do makeup tutorials, it's not my thing. I don't even enjoy watching them anymore, to be honest. I'm much more into like the vlog style, but I figured I would show you some things anyway, and I don't even know what's in these boxes, so we're gonna find out together. I am drinking a pumpkin cold brew from Starbucks and it is delicious. You guys will see that video shortly. If it's not up already, I will link it down below. But I tried out pumpkin spice all day today and I'm feeling a bit nauseous. So let's get into the boxes. I have 8 packages to open up with you guys. So let's just start off with this one. So this one right here is from Kylie Cosmetics, and I did order this myself. So some are PR packages and some I ordered. So let's see what's in here. I do have a P.O. box, and a lot of you might not know that, but I will link it down below because a subscriber sent me something right here, so we're gonna open that together. But this I've actually had for a long time and I haven't opened it. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics You're So Money Baby eyeshadow palette. Really excited to see this in person because it looked really pretty online. So this is the packaging. Has the hot pink glitter. Oh, it looks so nice. That lime green. Okay, so this is the palette. It looks beautiful. Time for cake. Oh, that one came a little smoshed. 22 candles came a little bit crinkled, but that's okay. It looks like it's a really like pressed glitter, but this is what the colors look like. They all look really, really pretty. Definitely that lime green looks really nice. So I got this, and then I also got a lipstick. This one, how cute is this packaging? Literally looks like money. So this one is in Hustle Honey. I kind of want to get my license plate customized to say honey. Let me know what you guys think. This is the packaging on the lipstick. It has a bunch of dollar symbols or money symbols. Ooh, this looks like my kind of color. This looks like a really pretty color for fall. It kind of has warmth to it, so it's like a warm, nudie, browny red. It looks pretty. Hopefully it looks good on me. It kind of looks like Lolita. But really excited about those two things. I'm gonna use that eyeshadow palette tomorrow. All right, next thing I got is a package from IT Cosmetics, and I just got this in my P.O. box today. I haven't gotten a package from IT Cosmetics in a really long time. Oh, how exciting. So weird, my friend Michaela just sent this because she just got it in Sephora. This is the new Blowout Volume Mascara. It's called Lash Blowout. $25. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It looks like a mini like hair dryer or curler. How freaking cute is this? And this is the mascara. Super cute packaging. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, looks like a good wand. So that's what that one looks like. Always gotta smell it. Thank you to IT Cosmetics for sending this over. I'm gonna try this. Take a little sippy here. I feel like I'm so like hyper because of this coffee. All right, next I want to open this package from Naomi. So she's so sweet, and she decided to send me this package. She messaged me on Instagram, and she's from the United Kingdom, so I thought that was pretty cool. So she's from the UK, and let's open it and see what she sent. All right, first thing, we have a card. How cute! How cute is this card? This is new home. How cute. So sweet. Thank you so much, Naomi. That's really sweet of you. You didn't have to do this at all, but I appreciate it so much. Oh my god, she individually wrapped everything. How adorable is this? Okay, so this one says, something for your complexion. I love how she put little notes on these. Ooh, so this is from the brand Illamasqua Radiance Veil Illuminating Primer. Oh, how exciting. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this looks so fancy. So this is a primer. How freaking cool is this? I'm gonna have to, I feel like I just broke this little thing. I'm gonna have to test this out sometime this week, but how fancy is this packaging? Thank you so much. To try something new. Oh, sleek makeup. Sorry, Ted, I just got Teddy excited. First, we have the Sleek Lip Shot. This is a Gloss Impact. This is in the shade Partner in Crime. This looks like a really pretty nude. Oh, we're putting this on right now. Oh, I love it. It's the perfect color. Thank you so much. And then this highlighting palette, I have heard so many good things about Sleek Cosmetics highlighting palettes, and I've never had one. So let's open this up. This is in copper tone. No, copper plate. This is the packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. And these are the highlighting shades. Let me just do a swatch of this gold one and then this more champagne. Oh, that looks so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. Thank you, thank you. Because you love face masks, yay! Bubble Bubble Sheet Mask, so exfoliating. And how cute is this packaging? All right, so this is Bare Face Cleanser Infused Makeup Removing Pads. How cool! Definitely will be giving those a try. Then this last one says Something Special. This is from a company called Primrose. Oh, how sweet! You didn't have to do this. These are so pretty. So these are cubic zirconia sterling silver earrings. How pretty are these? That's so sweet of you. I want to put them on right now, but I feel like it would take too long. But those are really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to wear these. I kind of want to put them on right now. Yes, I'm going to put them on. Okay, I just put them on. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, Naomi. I love everything so much, and it was really, really sweet of you, so thank you. All right, next thing we're going to open is a package from Seaweed Bath Company. And I did get this sent to me for free. I'm really excited about this company. So let's open it up. Oh, everything smells so good. All right, whoa, this opened. Let me just put this cap on real quick. Nothing spilled though. Oh, that smells freaking delicious. Okay, so we have the Seaweed Bath Company Hydrating Shampoo with Argan Oil and Aloe, and the Balancing Conditioner with Argan Oil for normal to oily hair, essential oil blend with nutrient-rich seaweed for the appearance of stronger, healthier hair. And this is in the scent Eucalyptus and Peppermint, which, oh, I'm so obsessed with that scent. I just feel like it smells so invigorating and fresh, and especially for your scalp, it just makes your scalp feel so good. So I got these two from the Seaweed Company. I love their packaging. Their packaging's really, really pretty. So I got those two. We also have an exfoliating detox body soap with Arabica, I don't know how to say that. Coffee and cinnamon, 65 vitamins and minerals. Very cool. Then we also have detox firming body cream with green coffee bean extract. Excited about this. Rosemary and mint. Definitely gonna be, can't really smell it because there's a thing on it, but definitely gonna be putting this on the back of my legs and my butt because we definitely want some firming. But this is really cool. Also a little bit about this company. So they get the seaweed from Maine. It is gluten, sulfate, and paraben free, and it is vegan and cruelty free as well, made with natural ingredients. This last thing we have in here is the Hydrating and Soothing Body Cream with Argan Oil and Shea Butter in the scent Lavender. How pretty is this packaging? I love it so much. So thank you to the Seaweed Company for sending this over to me. I cannot wait to try these out. Definitely gonna use that shampoo and conditioner tomorrow or the next day whenever I wash my hair. I will link them down below for you. All right, next package. This one is from KKW because naturally, where are my scissors? I have to stretch my feet out. Naturally, I had to order a fragrance. So this was not sent to me. I ordered this. And I really hope I like this scent. All right, the presentation is not as cute as those PR packages, but this is what the perfume looks like. I got the pink one. The reason why I got the pink one was because it said it had notes of coconut, and I love coconut. Anything coconut, I'm here for. So this is what it looks like. How adorable. All right, so this is it. How cute. Please smell good. Wow, that's stronger than I thought. Interesting. Okay, I don't hate it. It smells so much stronger than I thought it was gonna smell. I don't smell coconut. Oh, maybe I smell coconut. It smells like a Victoria's Secret fragrance to me. It smells freaking strong. I don't mind it. It smells fancy. It's very strong and fancy. I don't smell coconut that much in this at all, but I do like it. Do I love it? No. Next is from Luxie Beauty, and they sent this to me. So let's see here. Luxie has some of the nicest makeup brushes and also some of the cutest. In this box it says, "Hello Summer," which is kind of, we're kind of going into fall now, but that's okay. So, how adorable. So this is the Luxie Travel Essentials 5-piece brush set. Looks like this. Very, very cute. Love the pink handles. Luxie and BH Cosmetics brushes are the only brushes I use. This one is Luxie Summer Daze 4-piece brush set. Oh, I love this. The handles are like ombre. Goes pink into orange. That's really, really pretty. Love that. And there's another one. Oh my God. Wow, this one's probably my favorite. This is the Summer Daze 4-piece brush set, and this one is like a gray into pink. Really pretty. Thank you so much, Luxie. I love these so much. Definitely gonna be giving these a try. Maybe I'll put one in a giveaway too. All right, next we have a package from First Aid Beauty. Really cute packaging on this. So let's open it and see what's in here. I don't remember if I saw any sneak peeks of, oh, I think I jumbled it. All right, I am so sorry, but I cannot open this box. I think I opened it completely wrong, so I'm just gonna pull the items out. Cute. Are you kidding with this packaging? Okay, this was such a cute setup. I'm sorry I couldn't get it out of the box, but they came out with limited edition packaging because it is their, I think it's their 10-year anniversary. So we have the Ultra Repair Cream and the Facial Radiance Pads in this fun packaging, limited edition. And then, oh my God, this primer is so good. Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. I have this already and I freaking love it. It works really, really well and it smells good. And then we also have the face cleanser. Loving the packaging on it. And then, did I have a card? Oh, right here. Celebrating 10 years of feeling fab. So cute. And then in here, there's a little something. What's this? Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is like a big bag that you can bring to the grocery store, I'm assuming. Or you can put all your things. Or you can go bring it to the beach. I don't know. I would bring this to the grocery store. This is so cute. Thank you. What's this? Is this a scarf? How adorable. It's a freaking scarf. I love it. Thank you so much to First Aid Beauty for sending that over to me. Definitely check out the Coconut Smoothie Primer. I love that one. Last but not least, I am hoping my dear friend Lindsay is not watching this video. If you are, Linz, please do not watch any further because this is a birthday gift for her. And her birthday is on Thursday. And I hope this is the cutest. So I got this from Urban Outfitters. Alright, I got this from Urban Outfitters and it's a beauty fridge. So it's an ultra versatile mini fridge. It shows there's freaking like yogurt in here, but online it showed beauty products. So this is what it looks like. It's a white fridge. They had a couple different colors, and it's mini. It's so mini, and you can put your skincare in there and apparently breast milk, but I thought it was so cool, and I think she's gonna really like it just because it's something different, and she just got a new apartment, so I think she's gonna really like that. And I want a pink one myself, but I figured I would get her this one. So I got that from Urban Outfitters. Okay, and this video is super, super long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings, maybe like each month, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.